So Dogelon Mars, as we are watching today, is ready, I think, for skyrocketing, and they have all the explanation, the big foundation, and we know it. That is the holder of about 50% of whole Dogelon Mars supply has entered and give us some insights. What are they doing and what are they planning? And Dogelon is always involved with it. Today we haven't gone much up or much down. We even were in the green zone today. The volume is dropping a little bit, like 30%, not that small amount of droppage, but actually just on the beginning of the day we have high volume, and from that point it dropped from this 17-18 million to the 12 million, and the price hasn't dropped until the middle of the day, and now we are in the little red zone, just 1%, about 1% down. But let's check the massive news, and first of all is over here. Here's why Methuselah Foundation is this MF knowing, embracing Dogelon, and Dane Global taking a DC matter a lot more than you think. So Methuselah Foundation, our largest holder by far, with 43% of the supply, recently tweeted this, and let's check their tweet out, like decentralized science, or how I learned to stop worrying about and love Web3. So Web3, if you don't know, is the next big thing in the internet. Like the next big thing is happening, the Web3, and it's giving people more of the impact than, of course, the sites and everything. One interesting question is literally not asked over here, but I think that we have nice perspective on Dogelon Mars and what can it do in the future. So Shiba Inu is the top meme token, and it has 12 billion market cap, and Dogelon is just on 600 million. Let's check that out. Over here we are lower than that. We are on the 460 million, but okay. So next thing we can do 20x with the market cap, and of course that's happening. The same thing is happening with the price, so it can do 20x to reach to Shiba rank. It's obvious which coin will 10x first, and so easy to move. Shiba Inu great, but it already had its run. Dogelon Mars is next up. The future belongs to the dog, says this article, and something of this is funny, and funny picture, if you don't know, is something with Elon Musk and something that he asked McDonald's to do and accept Dogecoin. So we had our part of this that Elon Musk did. So what do you think? Can we do that at 20x and accomplish the Shiba Inu market cap? And that will impact the price. Like 20x is such a major gains. This guy says, nice tip, did you factor your bag into for the long haul? So actually right now I think he has great point. The price is now in the lowest points, like a little trend reversal happened over here, but right now we are on the lowest and the high on the lows over here. I'm explaining that on the chart in just a second. So I think we have the nice looking uptrend from this position over here. That was the January 23rd, and of course the big crypto crash happened in some period of the time like that. Let me explain to you why we are actually in the uptrend, and it's shown perfectly on this chart. Like you can see over here, this is the January, I think it's something of that, the January 20th, and that happened, the big crash happened down there, but from that point on Dogelon is just recovering. This is just the open looking chart. We can even narrow it a little bit and push it in these levels, and maybe right now if we put one line over here, this is looking like the triangle, but we are closing it really soon, and the price is actually on some support level, so it's not even that much down. Let me show you with this path how I think the price of Dogelon Mars could go. Something like that must happen for sure. This is the zone of consolidation, but after that I think we are pushing the price to the next level. Something to this price I think is willing to happen to Dogelon Mars, but of course guys, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and that you need to do the research before any investment of yours. So something of this range, and we need to hit this zero that we gained really soon. I'm expecting that to happen in the near future, and please leave in the comments what you think about that when that is happening.